Hello students, let's move on to the practical part. Question number 27, section 40b. Rao and Jain, a partnership firm consisting of two partners, reports a net profit of rupees 7 lakh before deducting of the following items. First, salary of rupees 2 lakh each per month payable to two working partners of the firm as authorized by the deed of the partnership. Since rupees 20,000 per month will be disallowed, it won't get deducted from this because the following expenses are not deducted. Rupees 2 lakh, this is a net profit before deduction of the following expenses. But if this expense was deducted from this 7 lakhs, it would have been added back because it is a disallowed business expenses. Okay, since it is not deducted from this, there is a no effect for this adjustment. You have to just ignore it. Depreciation on plant and machinery under section 32 computed. They have already computed under section 32, so you have to just simply reduce from this as unrecorded business expenses. As I have taught you, wait, I'll remove that page. Under section 40b, as I have taught you, the net profit here you will write 70,000. Right, in this manner, computation of remuneration to the partners, heading, and then write particulars amount, and in particulars write net profit as per P&L account rupees 7 lakh. Add disallowed business expenses. There are no disallowed business expenses. There is just less unrecorded business expenses that will come. Depreciation under section 32 1,50,000, and again unrecorded business expenses. It will be this interest on capital, but at the rate of 12%. So what is the adjustment for this? How to solve this adjustment? I'll tell you. Interest on capital at the rate 15% per annum as per the deed of the partnership. But as per our condition, the partners will be allowed interest maximum of rupees 12%, not 15%. So only 12% interest will be reduced, that is reduced from this 7 lakhs. But since this all expenses are not deducted from this 7 lakhs, only the relevant expenses will be deducted. Assuming it as a GP, take this as a GP and reduce 1,50,000. Then you have to reduce interest on capital, but at the rate of 12%, not at the rate of 15%. Then 5 lakh into 12% comes to rupees 60,000. That 60,000 will get deducted from this 7 lakh. Okay, but if it was already deducted from this, then you would have to, what you would have done, that means 5 lakh into 15%, that is 75,000 would have already been deducted from this 7 lakhs. Wait, 7 lakhs minus 75,000. If it was such case, then what you would have done? So you would have done add disallowed business expenses. Disallowed business expenses means the 3%, about 12%, that is 3% extra interest you have paid to the partner that would have been disallowed. So you would have to add 6,25,000 plus, let me memory plus it, plus 5 lakhs into 3%, 15,000 you need to add. That comes to 6,40,000. That means you have to only pay 60,000 interest. 60,000 interest would have been only allowed as per the Income Tax Act. So this is the sum. This much is the sum, and what we have to compute is book profit of the firm under section 40b of the Income Tax Act 1961. Allowable working partner salary for the assessment year 2016 as per section 40b. I have given you all the theory earlier. Now see the practical application. Computation of the book profit of the firm under section 40b. I told you to write particulars, amount, write net profit. Since it is given in the format that I need, so I am not solving it in my notebook. It is the right format. Just I'll show how to do the final part. Net profit 7 lakhs less, please write it over here, unrecorded business expense. This is very important. Please write it over here. Expenses, and then the depreciation under section 32 1,50,000. Interest at the rate 12% per annum. 5 lakhs into 12% comes to 60,000. 2,10,000 will be subtracted from 7 lakhs, and finally the book profit comes to 4,90,000. As soon as we get the book profit, how to solve? I have given you already this chart. please open this chart in your book, and we'll calculate the remuneration that have to be paid to the in the following manner. See. In the end we got book profit. In the end we got book profit of rupees 9,10,000. We have done all the tables and all. Then how to calculate the remuneration? Underline like this, draw a chart and write up to rupees 3 lakhs. Underline it. First 3 lakhs and write in bracket book value. 3 lakhs into 90% is equal to 2,70,000, or second rupees 1,50,000, whichever is lower, whichever is higher, not lower, whichever is higher, rupees 2,70,000, and write add over here in middle, and here write balance into 60%. So balance is 4,90,000 minus 3 lakhs is equal to 1,90,000 into 60% comes to rupees. See, we'll calculate on Calci first. 1,90,000 into 60% comes to 1,14,000, and just write here 1,14,000, and write. And how to show the presentation is remuneration to partners under section 40B is equal to rupees 2,70,000 plus rupees 1,14,000 comes to rupees 3,84,000. So this is the remuneration, as you can see in your practice manual. Where is the sum? 3,84,000. This is the manner to calculate. And what is the second part? See, salary actually paid to the partner is rupees 20,000 into 2 into 12 is equal to 4,80,000. As per the provisions of section 40B, the salary paid to the working partner is allowed subject to the following limit. On the first rupees 3 lakhs of the book profit, or in case of a loss rupees 1,50,000 or 90% of the book profit, whichever is more. On the balance of the book profit, 60% of the book profit. This is so complicated. This is very simple. Please follow this pattern. You easily remember this, and it is easy to solve, and finally you will get the remuneration also right. I hope now section 40B is clear to you all. On recording, disallowed business expenses, disallowed business income, unrecorded business income, unrecorded business expense. This will be quite clear to you all as and when I will be solving further sums for you all. For now, I hope this is quite simple for you all. I please want you all to copy this much if you want. I want you all to copy in a proper manner, so I'll tell you what to do. First, write this box in your notebook, and after that draw this. After that draw this. Please do this much. It will help you all. Please pause the video and copy. I hope you all have copied.